In this video, I'll show you how to test people and send messages on TikTok. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your TikTok. If you love to test people, your friends or your family on TikTok, or you want to send them messages, I'm going to be able to show you how you can do that. So I'm using my account What We Do. So I'm going to use this for an example and show you how you can possibly do this. So you're going to be able to see the message option. So click on the message. You can come on here, you can just type in hi, right? So this is my account. So for me to be able to get this message, I'm going to use my account to get the message, right? So I want to show you. Okay, so so you can see my account just tested back. So this is basically how you can be able to test people and send messages here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.